garden can be made more attractive and organized with the help of gravel. Depending on the gravel you use, it can also serve a decorative purpose. If you're looking for ways to make your garden stand out, look no further than these 10 gravel garden ideas. Whether big or small, the advantages of a gravel garden are never-ending. Let's look at the countdown. As always, Simphome presents you with the countdown. Number 10. Create your own gravel patio for less than $200. Are you looking for an affordable and long-lasting addition to beautify your yard? Consider this pea gravel idea. First, decide which area you're going to use to create it. Make sure to measure and mark around it with spray paint. After marking the ground, you can dig the grass out using a shovel. Next, use plastic ledges that are easy to dig for the area you want. It's time to secure the entire area and cover it with a landscape patchwork. You can find it in the local home repair shop. In the last step, sprinkle the pea gravel into the area. You can use a rake to even out the surface. Put chairs and tables as a complement. You can also add wooden logs as additional decorations. Enjoy! Number 9. Keep your pea gravel in place. Don't let the pea gravel in your garden be full of garbage, weeds, or broken pavers. Keep them in their place neatly and cleanly. How? You may try mulch glue to help pea gravel stay in place. Have you ever heard of it before? You just need to prepare supplies such as mulch glue, water, a garden sprayer, a stir stick, and a bucket. It's easy to find, isn't it? First, you may mix all supplies up. Combine and stir using a stir stick for at least a minute. If you have an old bucket, you can use it instead of buying a new one. Now, sweep the floor and make it clean. After everything is clean, you can start spraying the whole surface equally. Let it dry, and your pea gravel stays in its place. Number 8. A DIY flagstone path idea with gravel. You do not need to hire experts to install this line. Just follow our step-by-step, which is very easy, and you can implement it over the weekend. Here's the review. First, attach the bender board edges and set down the landscaping plastic. Pour a layer of sand, then flatten it. Dampen the sand with a spray. To make it firm, use a hand tamper. Now, add stepping stones. To complete the steps, fill in the gaps between stones with pea gravel. Number 7. A low-maintenance cactus garden idea with gravel. Cactus gardens are a popular choice for landscaping because they give you the capacity to have strong and colorful plants while reducing water use. The treatment of cactus plants is relatively easy, but not completely maintenance-free. Most cacti and other kinds of succulents need similar treatment, but still, there are exceptions. Both indoors and out, your cactus garden requires lots of sunlight. They require at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Number 6. How to choose the ideal centerpiece for the garden gravel. If you like incorporating a centerpiece into your garden, you can take this inspiration from the picture above. This concave space feels comforting and calm. It's great for having a quiet moment. A mix of pale, fine-textured pebbles highlights the central water bowl. It also blends attractively with the surrounding circular stone wall, which easily doubles as a bench. Number 5. A small yet modern garden gravel idea. If you prefer to avoid tending your lawn or yard in gravel, then this is a great chance to create a pretty gravel garden. Feel free to get creative and enjoy your small garden design. You could add slabs to make small pathways or a few patches of vegetation. Even though this garden looks very small, it looks beautiful and attracts attention. Number 4. How to choose the best plants for your garden gravel. Do you think plants can grow in a gravel garden? With the proper planting method, everything is possible. Actually, growing plants in gravel is a straightforward concept. Before planting, you need to cover the surface with 5 inches of pea gravel. The gravel lets plants grow in sharp drainage. The key to growing plants in a gravel garden is preventing the root ball from drying out until they have a chance to take root under a layer of gravel. There are some plants that you could grow in a gravel garden, such as coral bells, allium, autumn moorgrass, bee balm, blue grama, butterfly milkweed, and many more. Number 3. A Mediterranean garden gravel idea. Don't you want to feel like spending the whole day with the family in your garden? You can take this Mediterranean garden as a reference. You can start by painting the fence blue or any color you want. Instead of laying pavers, you can choose gravel as a flooring area, and it's cheaper though. Don't forget the lighting. Since it's outdoors, you don't have to prepare expensive things to create a beautiful view. You can opt for a lantern lamp to beautify your garden, and it's ready to hang. Add a fire pit to warm the atmosphere. Well done! Number 2. Incorporate your garden gravel with unique stepping stones. Stone-shaped paths are common for us to meet, but have you ever thought of making a leaf-shaped path? Let's see. First, prepare the plastic according to the size you want, at least bigger than the size of the leaf you'll use as a mold. Now you can start filling the concrete mixture onto the leaves using gloves or a shovel as protection. Then prepare the cable and place it on the concrete while tapping it. After everything is done and the concrete starts to harden, slowly pull the plastic, then sprinkle sand or soil to add texture. Then let it dry for about 2 days. The leaf-shaped walkway is ready to use. Before we complete the countdown with our final choice of the current list, we'd like to inform you that if you need other improvement ideas, you have Simphome Content Collections on your side. There, we cover other interesting topics such as garden, home improvement, finance, bathroom upgrade, bedroom update ideas, and many more. We'll see you there, and until we meet again sometime in the future, let's close our countdown with number 1. A pea gravel patio with fire pit idea. Are you looking for an accessible, inexpensive DIY patio? A pea gravel patio might be just what you need. Instead of wasting time leveling the ground and placing pavers, after seeing this, you can relax on your new gravel patio in no time. Like previous gravel patio steps, you first have to ensure that you've removed the grass and made a line as wide as you want. Next, dig the ground down around 3 inches. Put the landscape fabric and set up gravel patio edging. Now place pea gravel into the patio until the entire surface is even. Your gravel patio is done. We hope you enjoyed our 10 gravel garden ideas and are looking forward to hearing about your favorite gravel garden type. Drop your comment below to let us know what you think. That's it for now. Before you leave this presentation, we'd like to appreciate every second you spend watching the video. If we deserve more of your attention in the future, press the subscribe button if you haven't done it already. Like the video if you believe it will motivate the YouTube algorithm to push the video to more people. Honestly though, it's more like a myth to us, so feel free to move on with your plan after the video ends. Lastly, we hope you have great luck with your health and project. See you again soon!